In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically copy data from one Excel worksheet to another. Start by opening your Excel workbook and going to the second worksheet, which is the sheet where you want the copied data to appear. This is important because you are creating a live link from one worksheet to another, not just pasting a one-time copy. That means when the original value changes, the linked cell can update as well. Once you are on the second worksheet, click the empty cell where you want the data link to begin. Choose this starting cell carefully so your data appears in the right place and stays organized. After that, type an equal sign on your keyboard. In Excel, the equal sign tells the program that you are entering a formula or creating a reference. Next, click the tab for the first worksheet at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the sheet that contains the original data. Now click the exact cell that holds the value you want to copy over. As soon as you do that, Excel will build the reference for you automatically. Now press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will return you to the second worksheet, and you should immediately see the data appear in the cell you selected. Take a moment to verify that the value is visible and that you have landed back on the correct sheet. This confirms that the link was created successfully. To copy the rest of the connected data, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of that linked cell. Hover there until your cursor changes into a small black plus sign. This is called the fill handle, and it lets you extend the formula without recreating it one cell at a time. Once the cursor changes, click and drag the black plus sign down or across depending on how your data is arranged. This tells Excel to continue the linked pattern for the rest of your data range. Make sure you drag only as far as needed so your worksheet stays neat and accurate. When you release your mouse, Excel will fill the remaining cells automatically. Those cells will now stay synced with the corresponding cells from the first worksheet. If the original data changes, the linked cells can reflect those updates, which makes this method very useful for reports, summaries, and organized workbooks. That covers everything you need to know.